So today we're going to do another fabulous unboxing. Well, this is not sponsored again because on Lazada's 7th birthday, which is on the March 27th, I actually was still in Paris, and then my friend happened to tell me that, you know, there's actually a Chisan Lazada box. So I actually went to buy it. Just said that, you know, this box didn't came in a box like this one. This is the extra one that I actually bought, which is from TYR, which is like swimwear or something like that. I don't know whether it's swimwear. I doubt so because they didn't really ask me about my size. So I assume that it's swimming accessories instead of swimwear. But who knows? I haven't opened it up. But the Lazada one actually came in a black bag, so we actually had to open it up first to see whether it's the Lazada surprise box. So it's actually quite value for money because for $47 I actually get 6 PS4 games. 4 out of the 6 games, right, 4 of them are actually being reviewed on the listing itself. So one of them is actually Fallout 76, Extreme Legend Dynasty Warrior 8, Final Fantasy 12, the Zodiac Age, and Wipeout the Omega Collection. Okay, the reason why I bought this box was because I was actually already going to buy the Nintendo Switch version of the Final Fantasy 12. The $47 is actually cheaper than the Nintendo Switch game itself, which I think they'll be selling it at $69 if I'm not wrong. For this is actually worth it for me for the whole package. The rest are just additional stuff. Although the Fallout 76 is like not a very good game, but the rest are actually getting quite very good ratings. So what are the 2 mysterious games that they actually gave me, right? I was actually pleasantly surprised because these 2 games, their ratings are actually 9 and above. So one of the game is actually Our Boy, which is a platformer. This one looks like an indie product, but it's actually get quite a good rating. I think 9.5 or something like that on quite a few platforms. So this is something that I'm quite interested to try it out. And then Tokiden Kiwami. This is also one of the highly rated games like a few years ago. For $47, it's actually quite value for money. So it actually includes a Membobarium, which is a t-shirt from The Evil Within 2. Okay lah, this one I don't really like it lah, but you know, can give helper or whatever. Not important. Most of these games are actually ranging from $29 to $39 now. So it's definitely value for money. One thing great about this set is that Fallout is actually a first-person shooter, RPG for Final Fantasy 12, and there's a racer for Wipeout, Our Boy, which is a platformer, a warrior game, which is Dynasty Warrior, a action RPG, which is Tokiden Kiwami. Quite cool in the sense that they actually curated each genre and then put it into this set of the surprise box. So I recently bought my PS4 Pro, so I don't really have a lot of games. So for me, it's quite easy to get this box because I'm not in concern that I will actually get a lot of repeat games, because I don't really have any of the old games. I only have like Devil May Cry 5, Monster Hunter World, yeah, that's it, and God of War. So it's quite good to keep this, or even can trade with friends, or even maybe sell it on Carousel. I can actually earn back my $47. Who knows, man? And then now the interesting one, which is very mysterious to me because this is the TYR box, which I really do not know what is this. And then it's actually cost like $37. So let's see what do we have here, huh? What is this? I didn't know TYR, they actually have this. It's a backpack from TYR. Wow. It looks like those Eastpak bag, right? But then it's very well cushioned, you know? Check that out. They actually have a laptop compartment. Oh, not bad, huh? And the retail price for this is actually here. It's actually $54.90. What else do they have here? Oh, like I said, swimming gear, right? So they even got a white swimming cap, no? But when's the last time I used a swimming cap? I think only in secondary school that I used my swimming cap. So what I'm gonna do with this. Then, oh, wow. So this is a sack bag, and this sack bag actually costs like $34.90. But I really got no use for this lah. See, I kind of organic scolding for Adrian already. Right, all this. And then here, this is a race pouch. Oh, this is quite useful for people who jog a lot. Oh, see? You can actually put your mobile phone inside, I think. Yeah, you should be able to fit a mobile phone. So you can actually put shillings or whatever, some spare change here. But the most important thing is your mobile phone. So that's why they actually have this clear cover. Quite good. And then it's like waterproof material. So yeah, for the TYR, they actually have 4 items in there. So for $37, it's actually quite worth it because the pouch is already $25.90, $35, and this one is like $45. Oh no, this is 55. And then the cap is about $13. So it's actually value for money if you need all these things, right? That's the fun of surprise box. You don't really need to know what's inside. Then after that you just open, then after that you see what are the good things that you can loot from it. And then those that you don't really need it, maybe you can pass it on as a re-gift for someone. So that's it for today. So if you like our reviews on this type of surprise box, please remember to share and then give us a comment, like to tell us what are the next things that you want us to do. Okay, see ya, bye bye.